Ethereum just hit a 6-month high and Wall Street is paying attention. While Ethereum surged past $3,700, major crypto-linked stocks exploded in pre-market. Bitmine, BitDigital, and BTC jumped up to 40% in a single session. But is this the beginning of a new Ethereum rally or just a bull trap before shakeout? Let's break down what's really happening behind the scenes and why this moment might be bigger than you think. Ethereum has broken through the $3,700 level for the first time in 6 months, pushing several Ether-linked stocks to impressive pre-market gains. According to data from Bloomberg and CNBC, companies like Bitmine, BitDigital, and BTC each saw their shares rise between 10 to 14% on the day of the spike. What's driving this surge? Analysts point to renewed optimism around the Ethereum ETF approvals, a spike in on-chain activity, and an increase in institutional accumulation. Additionally, the recent stabilization of Bitcoin about the $60,000 mark has reignited overall market confidence, further benefiting large-cap altcoins like Ethereum. Whales are moving, with data from Glassnode showing large Ethereum wallets accumulating at the fastest rate since early 2024. This trend, combined with a sudden increase in Ethereum locked in smart contracts, suggests a growing conviction in long-term holding strategies. But it's not just the fundamentals. Market sentiment is also being influenced by macro factors like easing US inflation data and a more dovish tone from the Federal Reserve, which have generally improved risk-on appetite across global markets. Although not a scientific paper, recent reports from Fidelity Digital Assets and ARK Invest suggest that Ethereum's deflationary nature following the EIP 5059 update could lead to long-term supply constraints. This adds further weight to bullish sentiment around Ethereum's future price potential. Let's talk honestly. From a fundamental perspective, this Ethereum rally doesn't come out of nowhere. It's backed by institutional interest, better regulation prospects, and clearer narratives around the Ethereum ecosystem, especially in areas like DeFi and tokenized assets. Technically, however, things might still be early. This could very well be the first leg of a longer move, especially since altcoins haven't fully caught up yet. There is volatility ahead, and Ethereum will face resistance, but the long-term setup looks solid. This isn't about chasing green candles, it's about recognizing a trend that's quietly building a strength. Ethereum is gaining momentum, but in price and public perception. With Ethereum hitting a 6-month high and crypto-related stocks booming alongside, the markets may be preparing for something big. Still, it's important to watch for follow-through and macroeconomic signals before calling it a full-blown bull run. Do you think Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin this cycle? Or is just a temporary pump before another correction? Drop your thought in the comments. Let's talk strategy.